Alright, so I got this package from Highspots in North Carolina. I think I know what this is. Cutting. Ah! Oh yeah, it's the All In trading card set. And it's All In Series 1, so maybe there's going to be a second one. So those of you who don't follow wrestling, All In this weekend was the largest independent wrestling show ever. So, and card number 1, here it is. It's the tweet that triggered All In. I'll take that bet. And we got Cody. Can't call him Cody Rhodes. Thanks, Vince. This is what the back looks like. Brandy. Ooh. The best wrestler in the world, Kenny Omega. Matt and Nick, the Young Bucks. Nick Aldis, who I think impressed a lot of people in his match against Cody. Stephen Amell. Let's see here. The rest of the set. Stephen Amell. Yes, the actor. Joey Janela. Yeah. Let's see here. Ooh. Kazuchika Okada. Kota Ibushi. Flip. He got booked after all. Hangman Page. And this is the one card that I bought this set for. I think this is his first trading card. Joey Ryan. Look at the back. Or excuse me, it's not just Joey Ryan. It's famous dick wrestler Joey Ryan. Ooh, Rey Mysterio. Probably his last appearance before going back to WWE. Oh, here's a guy. If you remember 90s ECW, he was a ref at All In. Jerry Lynn. Jay Lethal, the ROH champion. Bernard the Business Bear. Let's see who else. I don't want to bore you with the whole set. It's 36 cards, and I paid $20 for it. Here's the Being the Elite group picture. Here's Bury the Drug-Free Bear, because BTE is drug-free, and that's the way to be. Oh, and the guys at a Cracker Barrel. They got Cracker Barrel to sponsor this. And the checklist. There we go, 36 cards, all in a box. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Awesome. All right.